Here we go. On the B side, competition has started between NYU Poly and Texas A&M, Corpus Christi. Okay, Texas A&M. I can only see the Texas A&M side from here. Can we put both of them on the video? I see Texas A&M's robot moving. NYU Poly starting in the corner. There we can see both robots on the video. So, Texas A&M, Corpus Christi, is about halfway through the obstacle field. They have to get their digging apparatus past that orange line. You can see the orange line on the video. Their digging apparatus is that circle in the front of their robot with cups attached to the outside of it. When they're past the orange line, they will lower that, they will spin that apparatus up and lower it down, and they'll start digging. And there's a view, close-up view of the NYU Poly robot. Does not appear to have moved yet. These competition runs are 10-minute timed runs. These robots, these teams have 10 minutes to mine as much regolith as they can and dump it into the hopper. Both robots appear to have stopped. These robots have wireless transmitters on them. There's Texas A&M Corpus Christi team in the control room. I should mention the teams that are controlling these robots, they cannot see them with their eyes. They have monitors in front of them showing them 2 video feeds that are supplied to them from NASA. Those 2 video feeds simulate the lander camera, a camera that's on the lander, and then the rover is dropped off from the lander, and this camera feed is from the lander's perspective. There's the B1 side, which is NYU Poly. They appear to be having trouble. This is the second official attempt for both of these teams in this competition this week. Both teams will need to get 10 kilograms excavated and dumped into the hopper in order to qualify. Have not seen any movement in a while. We're 3 minutes into the competition for NYU Poly and Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. Maybe if we started cheering for these robots, they would wake up and do some work. Let's hear it for NYU Poly and Texas A&M Corpus Christi. Four minutes into this competition. For those college students in the audience today who are graduating soon, what website do you go to look for NASA jobs? USA Jobs. Thank you. It's not usajobs.com. It's usajobs.gov. That is a single website that will tell you all about all the government jobs in the entire nation. You can search for just NASA jobs. It'll show you all the NASA jobs at all the different NASA centers. can search for just Kennedy Space Center jobs if you want to see what jobs are open here at Kennedy Space Center. Just last week, Kennedy Space Center, I'm a software guy, just last week Kennedy Space Center hired 10 software engineers just last week, fresh out of college. So keep your eye on usajobs.gov. For those students who are still in college, not ready to graduate yet. If you're thinking about maybe an internship with NASA, go to intern.nasa.gov. That's intern, not plural, one intern. Intern.nasa.gov. Every semester, NASA centers from all over the country hire interns. Some of them, they need engineers. Some of the intern jobs are for non-engineers. You will see all the intern positions on that site. I have 3 interns that are coming here in a week that got their job off of the site, intern.nasa.gov. They're all software engineers, but I know that there are other engineering types that are being hired as interns, both at Kennedy Space Center and at all the other NASA centers, so check it out. We're closing in on 3 minutes remaining in Arena B's competition. For NYU Poly and Texas A&M Corpus Christi. My name's Kurt Lloyd. I'm a NASA engineer here at Kennedy Space Center. And I'm happy to be hosting the 2015 NASA Robotics Mining Competition. Thank you for attending. For anybody online who's watching us online, thank you for your interest.